Today, I'll show you how to make pako or fern salad. For our ingredients, we have the following: pako or fern, salted eggs, 6 tomatoes diced, 4 shallots diced, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of patis or fish sauce, half cup of canned vinegar. For the pako or fern, we will just need the tips. In Tagalog, we call this talbos. Before we do our fern, we will do our vinaigrette. To our vinegar, we will add our fish sauce, our sugar, garlic powder, and white pepper. Mix to dissolve. Now we will cut our tips. Now we combine all our ingredients. Lightly toss before adding our vinaigrette. Now for our vinaigrette. Again, we toss. Let this sit while we peel our salted eggs. For plating, I will garnish with pickled chilies and pickled mangoes. This is my pako or fern salad. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.